Owen. We're practicing sitting up. We did some tummy time already this morning. And now we're trying to read a book. And he's learning how to pet the pages. So there's little soft stuff on the pages. Oh, you're just looking at the camera, aren't you? You could care less about the book right now. Yeah. Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Should we just make you smile instead? In the book, is that more fun? Is he smiling? See, I'm distracted by the video camera. I'm distracted. We got the Jolly Jumper 2 weeks ago, and all Owen wants to do since then is jump. Yeah. Yeah, it's fun, huh? You wanna try some tummy time? Let's see how you do. See if you don't cry. You already did a little today. I don't know. Yeah. Hey, Dale. Who's that? Is that Bailey? You want to go tug on her tail? Huh? Charms under there, buddy. Charm. Ooh, watch the book. We gotta watch out for Bailey. There you go. Try again. He was doing really good earlier. I think he's really tired. Not bad though. Not bad. There you go. Good job, Owen. Yay, Owen. Good job. Yeah, good job. You're doing a good job. Oh, yeah. See, I hate it though. I don't like it. Okay. Okay. Hi. Hi. Oh, goodness gracious. What's out the window? Huh? Booger McBoo? What's out the window? What do you see out there? Can you see some stuff out the window? Or are you still going to take it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What is that? Huh? What do you see? What do you see? Say, I see Daddy video TV. Yeah.